What about meme culture? How does that factor into trolling?
Well, some people will write the high of a meme. For example, the Uganda Knuckles. Um, some people will just run around, meme about, have fun with a group of friends usually, and not mean any bad by it. But then there's also some other people that will ride the meme and just create issues, problems, be hateful.
Mm.
Meme culture, understandably, has a lot of bad people in it. Every community, every culture always has something bad going on with it. Not every meme or memer is a bad person. They're just here to get a laugh and have fun with other individuals.